What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Moodle WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to apply a background color into a section using Elementor Page Builder WordPress plugin. So let's imagine that you have this section that you have used to create your blog. So it's one of your page sections. And in this section you call a posts grid to display your blog posts, and we have a white color background, and we would like to change this color for any other. How to do that? If you are on the page, go to the editor with Elementor button at the top toolbar kit, or go to our WordPress dashboard page and find out the page. As soon as you load the editor, click on the blue button called Edit with Elementor. As soon as you load, you're gonna need to select the section. To do that, just hover your mouse over the top of the section, and you're gonna find three places. Click in the middle one, Edit Section, and go to the Style. Into the Style, the very first option that you're gonna find gonna be Background. And into the first option, color. You can set the primary color or even upload an image, or click on the color to edit it. Of course, you're gonna need to play with the spaces. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for a video tutorial where I do explain how to play with spaces and other things like padding, margin, and borders using Elementor WordPress plugin. But feel free to play with the layout and advanced tabs as well, because as you have noticed, the color is already changed. It's a really fast process, and you can play around. Use the preview button to review the results you got until you can find the layout that you would like to have for your website. If you want to make the section full widget to display the color into the entire screen, just make sure that you select the straight section into the layout and play with the spaces, following the video in the description below. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmoodle.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes with full compatibility to Elementor. And I'll see you later. All the best!